excited about the spicy flavor, to be perfectly honest with you. Each bag contains 25 grams of protein, gluten-free, wild-caught, low sugar. These sound great. I don't know what else to tell you. Ingredients are very straightforward, so just kind of a quick little breakdown on the spicy one. We've got salmon, brown sugar, we got organic black pepper, organic red chili, onion powder, garlic powder, sesame oil, and that's basically it. So they're very, very clean, which is really exciting. So yeah, that's some of the details we got from the packaging here. Each strip is crafted with wild-caught sandwich, which means you're getting more natural minerals like potassium, zinc, iron, and fewer calories than you'd get from a farm-raised alternative, which is, if you're trying to eat healthier, basically, this is going to be a great way to do that. So with that said, let me jump into each one of these and give them a shot.